I received this lovely package. It looks so elegant, so royal. I just can't wait to open it. As you can see, you can pull it out and it's a bag. And let me take out the box because inside we have a box. Wow, look at the unboxing. Best wishes. Look at the cute bow. It is so freaking adorable. Look at this. And let's unbox it. Ooh, I see 2 different cards in here. Here they are. I'm gonna read them a little later. And here is the product. Oh my goodness, it has such a great packaging. So here are the earrings. And as well, I'm gonna leave all of the links down below in the description box so you can check them out. I'm gonna leave the link for the earrings and for this site, so make sure to check them out. And here it is. Let me kind of slightly pull this. I guess I will just, I'm gonna be mean. I'm really sorry. It was a really great packaging, but yep. Here we go. And wow, look at this box. It is like, will you marry me? It says, Sayabling, shine as you are. Oh my goodness, that is amazing, guys. Shine as you are. Let me unbox it in 3, 2, 1. Whoop. And they are in another package. So much packaging. They're in this little bag, as you can see. Okay, whoop. Let me take them out. They are both in separate bags. So here was the first one. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, I already saw how much it shines in the sun. Okay, look how beautiful it is. It shines so much. Look at this. Okay, I can't wait to try them on. They're beautiful. Wait, look how much they shine in the sun. Okay, let me quickly try them on and see how they look on me. And boom, they look fantastic. I'm in love. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. But right now, that's gonna be the best part. I'm gonna step out in the sun like a vampire and I'm gonna shine like Edward Cullen. And yeah, we'll just see how they look. So right now, they're beautiful, cute. Let me step out in the sun. Here we go. Wow, look at the earring. Oh my goodness. And the other one. That is literally fantastic. I'm in love. Like, look at the shine. Oh my goodness, that is... Wow. I am in love with the earrings. Thanks again to Sayabling so much for sending me these earrings. They're amazing. I'm literally speechless. They shine, like really shine. As well, guys, make sure to check them out. Links down below in the description box. And as well, if you want to buy something, make sure to use this coupon code for 20% off. And yeah, I do recommend you guys. This is amazing. But yeah, let's get